Good morning students, this is Monica. I will teach you economics, that is the part of your SST subject. Okay. So firstly we will know about your syllabus, that how many chapters are given in your syllabus. So first chapter is the story of village Palampur. Then second chapter, that is people as resource. Second chapter is people as resource. Okay. Third chapter is poverty as a challenge. Poverty as a challenge. And the fourth chapter is food security in India. Food security in India. Okay. First chapter is the story of village Palampur. Second is people as resources. Third is poverty as a challenge. Fourth chapter is food security in India. Okay. So this is your economics syllabus. 4 chapters are given in your economics book. Okay. So today students, we are going to start the first chapter, that is the story of village Palampur. So first chapter deal with the story of a village and what is the purpose of this story. Mainly basically some basic concepts of production are used in this chapter. Okay. So what is production, as this story deal with the production activities. Okay. Means the production activity, or we can say the economic activities, are given with the story, or we can say by story. So the story of village tell us about the production concepts. Okay. So firstly, what is production? What is production? What is production? Anything that you use, like clothes you wear, shoes you wear, pen you use, books. So all things are produced in the economy. So what is production? Yes. Production means production is a process. So we can say it is a process. Production is a process in which goods and services are produced. Goods and services are produced. Goods means like pen, pencil, shoes, shirts, guns, car, aeroplane, bus, all things. Okay. And services means like service of a teacher, doctor, lawyer, all these are service. Okay. Communication services. So these are the services. All these are produced in the economy. So production, it is a process in which goods and services are produced within the specific period of time. Within the specific period of time. In simple terms, we can say creation of utility is called production. Okay. Creation of utility is called production. So how production is done? What we need for the production? For example, you can take example that your mother is making halwa at home. So what she required? That is also a production, we can say. So what she required to make halwa, like if she is making halwa of सूजी, तो हमें क्या जरूरत होगी? सूजी की जरूरत होगी. तो हमें क्या जरूरत होगी? सूजी की जरूरत होगी. Sugar we need. Okay. And घी we can say, घी की जरूरत होगी हमें. तो ये सारी चीजें क्या है? हलवा बनाने के लिए आपको सूजी या आटा जिसका भी आप बना रहे हो वो चाहिए, घी चाहिए, शुगर चाहिए उसमें डालने के लिए. सो what all these things are? All these things are called material that we require to make something. Okay, so what in economics term, or we can say in economics, we use the term raw material that we need to produce something. Like for example, to produce, or we can say to manufacturing clothes, we need cotton as a raw material. Okay, so cotton is the factor of production. Okay, so mainly what factor of production are used in production activities. Okay, so what are the factor of production? What are the factor of production? So we will talk about the factor of production. Factors of production. Mainly factor of production are first land, second labor, capital, and entrepreneur. These are main factor of production. Okay, so to produce clothes we need land also. Why? Because to establish the factory we need the building, and to make the building we need the plant. Okay, so we need land, then we have established the industry. Okay, and we have capital, we can say we have two type of capital. One is working capital, okay, and other is fixed capital. Okay, so working capital we means money in hand, money that is required in the production activities, and fixed capital means machine that is established to produce. Like to manufacturing clothes we establish a machine, so that is fixed capital of the producer. Okay, and money in hand is the working capital. Okay, so land we need, machine we need, money we need to purchase the machine, building, land, and then to work on the machine we are having building, machine, money. So to work on that machine we need the labor. Labor means worker. We need workers. Okay, then entrepreneur, it means udmi, those who produce the goods, who invest, okay, in the economic activities. Okay, so what are the factor of production? Land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. These are the factor of production, and these are used to produce something. Okay, so land means plant, building that we required. Then labor means working population, we need workers, we need to do work in the factory. Then capital mainly we take two types, that one is fixed capital and the other is working. Fixed capital means machine, building that we have, that is our fixed capital. Working capital means money in hand, that is our working capital. Okay, so these are the factor of production, these are used to produce good. Okay, so I hope you got the meaning of production and what are the factor of production. Production is a process in which goods and services are produced within the specific period of time. Okay, and what are the factor of production? Land, labor, capital, these are the factor of production. So the story, our chapter, the story of village Palampur, basically deal with the factor of production, we can say, or we can say production activities. Okay, there are many type of production activities that take place in the village Palampur. Okay, the village is shown as well developed village, and the farming is the main occupation of the people. But there are small manufacturer people, means people who are manufacturing small things at the small scale, we can say. Okay, there is also dairy farm. Okay, some people are running vehicles, means they are doing the transportation work. So there are different type of activities that take place in the village Palampur. Okay, so in detail we will start the chapter. This is the basically introduction of the chapter. Okay, so students, watch the video and read introduction of the chapter from your book. If you face any doubt, any query, you are free to ask. Thank you.